Okay, I'm gonna try to do karaoke for this story. So here it goes. We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing there on a balcony of summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles at my daddy said stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is what you'll be the princess. I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. To keep quiet, 'cause my daddy they knew, so close your eyes. Skip the town for a little while. Since you and Romeo, I was a scarlet letter, and I got you to stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You will be the princess. I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. Romeo, save me. They're trying to tell me how I feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid. We'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. Oh, oh, 'cause I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. My faith in you was fading when I met you on the outskirts of town. And I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come and sit in my head. Know what to say, he knelt to the ground and pulled down a ring and said, Mary be Juliet, you never have to be alone. I love you when that's all I really know. I talked to your dad, go pick out a white dress. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. Whoa, whoa, oh, whoa. 'Cause we were both young when I first saw you. Yeah, I know I have a crappy voice right now. I gotta quit.